To all, this is Dr. S. Sadishmore, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government Arts and College, Valparai. Today I have to discuss about partnership admission, new profit sharing ratio and sacrifice ratio. So before start, please subscribe my channel and click on bell button about update my videos. So we have to discuss about admission for new profit sharing ratio for admission of new partner. So admission of new partner, according to the Partnership Firm Act 1932, a new partner can be admitted into the firm only with the consent of all the existing partner unless otherwise agreed upon. With the admission of new partner, the partnership firm is reconstituted and a new agreement is entered into carry on the business of the firm. So when the new partner admitted, the old partners will changeable for agreeing for new partnership firm to welcoming for new partnership or new partner to the partnership firm. Then reconstituted, already constituted for the company, for reconstituted for articles or schedule will changing for goodwill, capital ratios will be entered into new partner for partnership firm. So a newly admitted partner acquire two main right in the firm. So what is the first one? Right to share the asset of the firm. Yes, right to share the asset of the firm. So under the new partner will share and utilize the asset and capital also. Capital also will sharing in future. Then second one, right to share the profit of the partnership firm. Yes. So whenever joining the partnership firm, the new partner, so always a partnership in the equal rights to profit sharing and goodwill. Main one, so goodwill sharing of the new partner. So main one. So next one, admission of new partner, the new sharing profit ratio. Means new profit sharing ratio. When new partner is admitted, he acquire his share is profit from the old partner. The other words, on the admission of new partner, the old partner sacrifice a share of their profit in favor of new partner. But what will be the share of new partner and how will be occur it from existing partner is decided mutually among the old partner and the new partner. However, if nothing specified as to how does the partner acquire his share from the old partner, it may assumed that he had from their profit sharing ratio. In any case, on admission of new partner, the profit sharing ratio among the old partner will change, keeping in the view their respective contribution to the profit sharing ratio in incoming partner. So when had admitted for new partner will changeable for new profit sharing ratio. For an example, A and B have to sharing partner in partnership firm. So admitted for decided for admitted for C. So come to again for capitalization method, amount 1/5 share in rupees 50,000 will be acquired to the company to partnership firm. That is partner will changing 1/5 share. Already up to 3 is to 2. 1/5 share entire for the company. So take one example for some new profit sharing ratio for sacrifice under sacrifice ratio. Will illustration. Take an example sum. Anil and Vishal. Anil and Vishal are partner sharing profit in the ratio of 3 is to 2. The ratio of 3 is to 2. They admitted Sumit. They admitted Sumit as a new partner for 1/5 share. So 1/5 share in the profit, future profit of the firm. Calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio of Anil, Vishal and Sumit. So first we have to calculate it. First we have to calculate new sharing profit ratio. So new profit sharing ratio then will be calculating for sacrifice ratio. So see one by one. First one, new profit sharing ratio. So solution, let the total profit is 1. So let the total profit, let the 1. Then Sumit's share. So some we already told. Sumit's share, 1/5 share of the enter into company. So enter into partnership firm, isn't it? Then remaining share equal to 1 minus, is a total profit is 1 minus the Sumit profit, Sumit's share 1 by 5. So total profit 1, Sumit's share 1 by 5. 1 by 5 equal to is 5 into 1. So that is 1 into 5, so 5. So 5 into 1 equal to 5. That is 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1 divided by 5 equal to 4 by 5. That is remaining share. For remaining share, Sumit share will be sacrificing on old ratio. Then new profit sharing ratio equal to new profit sharing ratio equal to sacrifice ratio into old ratio. The formula is new profit sharing ratio equal to sacrifice ratio into old ratio. So Anil's new share for ratio is 4 divided by 5 for calculating sharing value 4 by 5 into 3 by 5. Already told that the old ratio Anil and Vishal 3 is to 2. The 3 is to 2, how to calculate for 3 is to 2? 3 by 5, 2 by 5. So total share of old partners 3 is to 2, 3 by 5, 2 by 5. But total share will be 5. So 5 share, the 3 is to Anil, 2 is Vishal, right? 4 by 5 into 3 by 5. So how to calculate? The 4 into 3. The directly calculated for upper value and down value. The directly calculate for upper value and down value. Of the upper value 4 into 3. So 4 into 3. So the down value 5 into 5. 5 into 5 divided by 5 into 5. 4 into 3 divided by 5 into 5 equal to 4 into 3 equal to 12. 5 into 5 equal to 25. So Anil is new share 12 by 25. Then Vishal's new share. Vishal's new share equal to 4 by 5 you have to calculate the value. 2 by 5 will old share. So sacrifice ratio, so old ratio 2 by 5. So 4 into 2. 4 into 2 the upper value. So 4 into 2 8. 5 into 5 25. So Vishal's new share 8 by 25. Then always it entered new partner for Sumit. So Sumit also entering the partnership form. So also calculating for Sumit also. So Sumit just new share already gathering for Sumit 1/5 share. I told that 1/5 share. The 5 by 5. The 5 by 5. The total share of new profit, the old share. The total sharing of old share. The total is a 5. 3 is Anil, 2 is a Vishal. So total will be giving sacrificing for new partnership. So new partnership sacrificing 5 divided by 5. So one upper value 1 into 5. The down value 5 into 5. 1 into 5 5. 5 into 5 25. That is Sumiti share is 1/5 share and Anil Vishal share is totally 5 by 5 is a total value. That is 3 is to 2. 3 is Anil, 2 is Vishal. So new profit sharing ratio 12 is to 8 is to 5. So 12 is to 8 is to 5. So I have to determine it. Then second one sacrificing ratio. So second one sacrificing ratio. So first one sacrifice ratio equal to old ratio minus new ratio. old ratio minus new ratio. So sacrifice, who is the sacrifice for the partnership firm? The old partners. The old partner will sacrifice for the new partner. So see my Anil's sacrifice ratio 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is a old ratio. 3 is to 2. Already told that the old ratio 3 by 5. The new ratio is 12 by 25. Anil's new ratio 2 by 25. So Sumit is giving for acquire for the new partnership firm 1/5 share. Take over 5. Take over 5. And old partnership for total share will be 5. Take over in anyone. Take over anyone for 5. So the 3 into 5, 15. 3 into 5, 15. Minus 12. So new ratio will be not applicable for calculation. The new new ratio will be not applicable for multiplication. So only multiplication old ratio. The 3 into 5. 3 into 5 equal to 15. So 5 into 5, 25. So 25, the upper value will be 3 into 5, 15. Down value of 5 into 5, this is same down value is equal. 25, 25 is equal. So always I put on the same 25. So 15 minus 12 equal to 3. 3 by 25. I will mention for the subtraction method and multiple method 3 into 5 equal to 15. 3 into 5 equal to 15. The 5 is a total share of old partners. Total share of old partners. That is a 5. The 3 into 5 is a total share of old partner 15. The 5 is into 5. The 5 is the total share of old partner 25. So 25 is the same. The 3 into 5 equal to 15. The same new ratio equal to take over full. So 15 minus 12 equal to minus 3. 15 minus 12 equal to 3 divided by 25 will be same. Then next Vishal's sacrifice ratio. So Vishal old ratio 2 by 5 minus new ratio 8 by 25. Right? So 8 in 5 into 2, 10. Right? The total share will be total old ratio will be 5. So 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 5, 25. So 10 minus 8, 2 divided by 25 will be same equal 25. So Vishal's new ratio already put on the calculation for method 2 into 5 equal to 10. The 5 is a total share to Vishal's old ratio. Okay. Then 5 into 5, 25. 25 will be 25 same. That's a 25 mention. I put on mention for 25. Therefore, sacrifice ratio is 3:2. That is, old ratio is also 3:2. The old ratio for sacrifice for new partner admitted. When new partner admitted, we are sacrificing for new partnership firm. That is same will be appear. If not appear for same, old partnership firm is a wrong answer. The same old partnership ratio new also sacrifice ratio will be same will be appear. That is only correct on partnership firm. So I mentioned note the partners old ratio and the sacrifice ratio will be the same, because when new partners are admitted in this firm, will sacrifice full profit sharing ratio. Will shared ratio the full. Already told new sharing profit ratio will be 1/5 into 5/5. That is a 5/5 will be appear in full share of old ratio. The old ratio for admitted for new partner. So clear understood for new profit sharing ratio, and thank you.